Hey there! Struggling with internet connectivity issues? You've arrived at the right place. Today we're diving into how to fix no internet connection on router. It can be incredibly frustrating when your router signals no internet connection, leaving your devices offline. Don't worry, we're here to help you troubleshoot and resolve this issue step by step. From checking physical connections to resetting network settings, we'll explore various methods to restore your internet connection and get you back online quickly. Step 1. Check physical connections. Before diving into more complex solutions, let's start by ensuring all physical connections are secure. Check the power cable connecting your router to the power source. Ensure that the Ethernet cable connecting the router to the modem or wall socket is secure and not damaged. Sometimes a loose cable can cause interruptions in your internet service. If your router uses a separate modem, check that the modem is also properly connected and powered on. Additionally, confirm that the correct indicators such as LAN and Internet are lit on both the modem and the router. Step 2. Restart your router and modem. A simple restart can often resolve connectivity issues. Begin by unplugging both your router and modem from the power source. Wait for about 30 seconds before plugging them back in. Modem first, then the router. Allow both devices to start fully. This can take a few minutes. Rebooting can clear up minor glitches and refresh the network connection. Once back online, check if the problem has been resolved. Step 3. Check for network outages. If restarting your equipment doesn't work, check if there's a broader network outage affecting your area. Visit your internet service provider website or use their official app for any outage notifications. There are also third-party websites and apps that can provide this information. If there is an outage, you might just have to wait for your ISP to fix the issue on their end. Step 4. Update router firmware. Outdated firmware can sometimes cause connectivity issues. Log into your router's web interface using its IP address, often found on the router itself or in the manual. Navigate to the administrative section and check for firmware updates. Download and install any available updates, as these often include bug fixes and improvements that could resolve your issue. Follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully during this process to ensure a smooth update. Step 5. Reset network settings. If all else fails, consider resetting your router to its factory settings. This is a more drastic measure and should be done as a last resort. Find the reset button on your router. It's usually recessed and may require a pin or a paper clip to press. Hold it down for about 10 seconds until the router reboots. Keep in mind, this will erase all custom settings like your Wi-Fi network name and password, so they'll need to be reconfigured afterward. Fixing no internet connection on your router might seem daunting, but with these steps, you can troubleshoot and resolve the problem efficiently. Always start with checking physical connections and restarting devices. If the issue persists, consider more advanced solutions like firmware updates or resetting network settings. By following these instructions, you'll be able to restore your internet connection and enjoy seamless browsing once again. Remember, each step is important, so don't rush the process. Stay patient, stay connected, and enjoy smooth internet experiences.